What's up, y'all? It's me, Kara. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to sis. Okay, so y'all, I'm here for one because I'm about to do an unboxing for my stuff that I just got. But y'all, I just got my stuff from Glamazante, my first purchase. Period. Definitely keeping that. And I just want to show y'all what I had got real quick. So let me show y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna apologize now for the glare. I'm in front of my window, which is like perfect, but it's like off. So I'm apologizing now. Perfect. There we go. So real quick, I'm trying to show y'all before the kids are acting crazy. So this is the card. Yes, sis. And so this is the first one. Ooh. And then this is the second one. And then of course I got Corey one. He got a Louis V one. And then I had got another mask. And then I had got her sanitizer. But I left it downstairs. So I can show y'all downstairs. So I'm gonna put my mask up, and I'm gonna unbox my stuff after I get my girls cleaned up because she got Cheetos all over herself, so I need to get her together. But let me show y'all this real quick. What is wrong with the baby? You ready to get out? You ready to get out, baby? Yeah, I coming. And then this is the sanitizer. Yes. So I just already sprayed. I didn't know it was going. I sprayed it once I opened everything. So I'm about to put this in the garbage. And yeah. Alright, y'all. So I don't know how good or bad my lighting or nothing is right now, but I did want to let y'all know that I'm about to start my inventory. I got my pen inventory in, and I just separated them, and have to remove the black ink from these ones and put blue ink because I do offer blue ink. So I'm gonna take the black ink and put the black ink refills, and then replace them with the blue ink that I did get. So that way, when somebody does buy a pen, I don't have to switch the ink out. It'll already be done, and I can just package the order. So that's what I'm about to do. So I'm like, maybe I can let y'all watch me. So let's do it.
I didn't come this far to only come this far. I hear some people saying things like, when I make it, when I get to the top. I'll keep working hard until I get to the top,
It's your confidence. Your confidence. Your confidence.
Confidence is confidence in him who lives inside. I told him love he lives, they told me use a lie. I got confidence, so what the problem is? Who you living for today? Boy, that's common sense. We come in the name of Christ, we rep him, cause he changed my life, and that's real, baby.
I'ma keep on running, cause a winner don't quit on themselves.
I didn't come this far to only come this far. I hear some people saying things like, when I make it, when I get to the top. I'll keep working hard until I get to the top,
It's your confidence. Your confidence. Your confidence.
Confidence is confidence in him who lives inside. I told him love he lives, they told me use a lie. I got confidence, so what the problem is? Who you living for today? Boy, that's common sense. We come in the name of Christ, we rep him, cause he changed my life, and that's real.
them running, cause the winner don't quit on themselves.
So these all have blue ink in them. Enough with that. So, yeah. Like I said, I tested this, and this was the darkest one. So, we are good. Period. What's up, y'all? So, I literally just woke up about 30 minutes ago. Just got done taking my shower and brush my teeth and stuff. I didn't get to wash my face yet, so don't judge me. But I just want to come here real quick because I had checked. I was supposed to get my inventory order, one quantity of my order. I made a mistake and ordered 2 things separately, and I thought they were going to send it together, but they did not. So the other one really is still stuck where it's at. So I'm still waiting on, or a majority of my inventory. This is literally just one style of sunglasses because I had figured out the order. So it was literally the same day too. But anyway, just open it. The way they package it, there's no padding or nothing, so I'm scared that this even gonna be broke. And the crazy is I ordered this this is what I ordered right after that one, and this one is the one that came first. So let me show you guys. But I literally got these sunglasses. These are it. I'm praying to God that they're broken. But I literally was checking for it yesterday, and it kept saying it's at the USPS, but I'm like, okay, that means it's coming. And that was yesterday morning. And I've been checking it all day. It kept saying at the UPS, blah, blah, blah. Usually I'm like, okay, it's just out for delivery by 12. No, nothing. And it didn't say nothing about out to delivery until I checked it this morning, and it said out for delivery, and it said delivered in my mailbox on May 4th at 2:28. I said, I've been checking this all day. Y'all just gonna update it the next day. So I'm praying that the tracking information on my other order is just late and they didn't update it, and that it's coming like tomorrow or today. I'm praying that it's still not stuck. But anyway, but these are it. So I'm grateful they're not broken. So grateful. So grateful. So I'm definitely gonna clean them. By the way, I did wash my hands and stuff after I opened this stuff, or after I grabbed it. But anyway, look, right, I ain't touching my face or nothing. So these are it. So I'm definitely gonna clean them, and then tag them and do everything I need to do. But they're really cute. I don't want to put them on my face yet. But yeah, so I got those. So this is just 1/2 of my order. I'm gonna check all the rest of them later. Right now I'm just making breakfast, so I need to wash my hands again. But I'm gonna take all these out their packet. Throw this stuff away for our downstairs because I need to throw this polymer and stuff away, y'all. It literally came with no padding, no nothing. It literally just came like this. It literally just came like this. Wrapped in this. And then there's the polymer. So nothing's in here. I was just like, I know they're wrong for that. I'm grateful so far. Everything looks like it's intact. These glasses are fire. Hopefully, I'm supposed to get some more packages today, so I'll come back when I get some of my Amazon stuff. I'm gonna show y'all what that is. Very cool. These ones ain't books either. It was just okay. So yeah, I'm gonna come back when I get my Amazon stuff. And yeah, so let me finish the rest of the stuff. I will see you guys when I get my Amazon stuff. Bye. Real quick, I don't know my edges. Like, I don't understand how my scarf managed to make my edges come out and not stay laid. Like, what? Like, what happened? Seriously, what happened? Anyway, so I gotta lay them down again, but don't want them. So I just want to come here and say hey and let y'all know that I just got 2 packages in. I got 1 package from Amazon, 1 package from my vendor, and then I got another package from Ulta. And I'm so excited. So let me show you what I got. I'm just excited. I'm just doing an unboxing and everything. Okay, period. Okay, so first off, let's do Ulta. I already opened it. So I had got me the Milani Prime Perfection face primer. Let's see how much everything was so y'all can know. You alright, Callie? Okay, just checking. I see you though. So that was, the prices aren't on here. So honestly, I don't know, y'all. I don't know how much it was. Altogether, this stuff was $50. So keep that in mind. So I got this. I got some banana powder. I got a highlighter. Or I can tell y'all the things. So this one is from Revolution. And it's the baking powder. And I got Banana Deep. And then the Milani highlighter, baked highlighter, is Bronze Splendor. I think that's the color, 140. Then I got this Milani lipstick in the color Bahama Beige. Y'all know I'm a sucker for nudes. I have my first eyeshadow palette. And it's from Morphe. And y'all know I just like nude everything. I'm not a big color on my face fan. And it's just 3B Pure Nude. Let's open it and see. And literally my best friend helped me pick out all the stuff. Because I didn't know what I was doing. Hey, Carmen girl. So this is what it looks like. And these are the colors. So I think that says Kinda Natural, Velvet, and Deep Hue. So these are the eyeshadow palettes, colors that I got. Like I said, I cut the one on the right to fit my eye. As you can see, like it has like a little pokey stuff out, and my eye is like here. So yeah, I cut that one. I didn't get to cut this one yet, so I'm gonna line it up and cut it. But yeah, they're really, really pretty. So I'm definitely gonna support a black business pretty soon. I just really thought I needed the lashes sooner than I thought. So I'm definitely gonna order from some people. But yeah, I got this concealer, which I feel like it's too dark. It literally looks like my skin tone. It looked lighter on the put them on my lips. It looked lighter on the website, but it don't look like it's gonna work under my eyes. I mean, it might. I don't know. I don't know. We gonna see. And then the last two things I got is this Mario Badescu skincare setting spray. It comes with aloe, herbs, and rose water in it. And then I got an eyebrow pencil specifically for this. You see right here, the thin spots right there. This will put a little bit of color there. And then I got an eye, like under the eye pencil.
What do you mean, Mommy? I'm Spider-Man!
Oh Lord, and this in brown. What? Oh, and if y'all wondering, this color is toffee. Okay, this is toffee. You Spider-Man?
Yeah, I'm a girl Spider-Man.
Wow. Okay, better angle. So here is the package I got from my vendor. It was the rest of my what do you call it? The rest of my pens that I'm gonna be selling and giving away. So I have way more of the other colors I have. I really just bought a few just to see the quality, and then I'm gonna go ahead and order some more to go in the inventory. But as of now, this is okay. Oh my gosh, these are a-okay with me, but they look good. So I'm excited. I mean, come on, with like extra refills and stuff. So each one. So yep, but these are the silver. So I got gold, rose gold, and silver. I'll show y'all real quick after I show y'all my last business thing that I got. So these are my thank you stickers. They're marble, black and gold. You know, only carry that is gold, but it's all good. So I needed something to go on. I don't have it right now. I'll show you in a second. On the back of my Sunny's tags that I recreated, I basically took my old business cards and turned them into tags for my Sunnies. So I literally got one style of Sunny, so I'll be able to pack them up and y'all be able to see that. I'll just do one, but they're actually really cute. So let's open it. I have a lot to do today, and I don't feel like doing it because I'm tired, but we gonna prevail. I still have another package on its way. I'll show y'all that when it gets here. And after that, I have everything besides my other order. So when that comes, I'll definitely show y'all that video. But these are it. Can y'all see the marble? So it says thank you. Just thank you. And it's marble. It goes with my theme. So I thought it was cute. And I liked the font on it. And there's a lot of stickers, so probably gonna put them on the outside of the packaging too. I'm supposed to get I'm gonna order, I still have to order some more stickers and marble tissue paper. I still have to get the confetti shredded paper. I'm getting them in lime green, black, and white so I can mix it up. I'm also getting the iridescent in white to go with the confidence shirts. And then I'm getting the tissue paper, marble tissue paper, black tissue paper, white tissue paper, as well as lime. I think I say marble, white, black, lime green. Four different ones. So I have to get four different packs of tissue paper, 3 different colors of shredded paper. Well, 4 different packs of shredded paper. I still have my bubble mailers are supposed to come today. I still have to order 4-inch stickers that's gonna go on the bubble mailers from my sticker place. Now that I know that I like my stickers, I'm probably gonna order. I don't have to order any more of the regular size, but I do have to order big ones to put on my stuff. So I'm probably gonna order like two quantities of it. Lord, Callie. But yeah, that's all I got so far. I'm gonna go process this inventory real quick. I did say I was gonna show y'all. I'll show y'all when I do it, but I did want to show y'all the other pins. Welcome to my warehouse. So let me show y'all. So the stickers are gonna go behind these. So this were my old business cards, and then back you can see there was some stuff there, but I end up putting my marble contact paper behind it. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna put the thank you stickers like over this. You'll still be able to see it. I really don't care because they're gonna throw this away, but I just for aesthetic purposes, I just thought it would be nice to put thank you on the back of it. And I still have some that I have to do, like these. My bad. Like these are still like, you know, like that. And then yep, kids don't belong in here. Come on, kids don't belong in here. Come on, Carmen, go. You ain't supposed to
What is this baby food?
Yeah, it's baby sister's little baby pouches.
Eat that.
Okay, and then over here I just already did these. So these are the rose gold and gold ones I offered in blue ink. Then are the ones I go wash your hands. And these are the ones I offer in black ink. So I just separated them. So if you order black ink, you get a black one. If you order blue, you get a blue. Of course, you also get a refill on them. So yeah, so I have to process the silver ones, switch out the black ones, and put them in here. Then of course order another pack so I can have. I'm only going to start off with a little bit. So I have 4 black inks, 4 blue inks, 4. I have 4 of each. That I only ordered 6, so I have to order another pack. And then I literally not order another pack. That'll be what, 6. I need 8. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Yeah, if I order another pack, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. So that's another pack, just 2 more. Then I'll usually keep the other one for myself.
I didn't come this far to only come this far. I hear some people saying things like, when I make it, when I get to the top, I'll keep working hard until I get to the top.
It's your confidence. Your confidence. Your confidence.
Confidence is confidence in him who lives inside. I told him love he lives, they told me use a lie. I got confidence, so what the problem is? Who you living for today? Boy, that's common sense. We come in the name of Christ, we rep him, cause he changed my life, and that's real, baby.
I'ma keep on running cause the winner don't quit on themselves.
I didn't come this far to only come this far. I hear some people saying things like, when I make it, when I get to the top. I'll keep working hard until I get to the top.
It's your confidence. Your confidence. Your confidence.
To show you guys that fast, I just thought about something different, so I thought it would be cuter to show the thank you on the front and then the dose of style on the back. I like this better, so yes, cute. So that's how you're gonna get your glasses. Waiting on a few more supplies. I'm not waiting, literally everything that I've ordered is here, so no more deliveries besides from my vendor. I do have to order our men's shirts. I feel like I'm gonna have to order some more vinyl, so I might end up getting some more vinyl, but that's not until I actually start making the shirts. I'll be able to see what I got. I do want to get bigger stickers for my packaging, and what else? I think that's it, guys. So I'm about to just head out. I don't have really anything else to say. I'm waiting on my heat press, and I'm still waiting for my actual inventory. Like I said, I only got one style of sunglasses, so I'm waiting on everything else to get here. And once that stuff arrives, I'll probably go ahead and pick the camera back up. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here, and I guess I will come back to you guys once I receive everything that I need, and we can get into production of actually getting my inventory set for sale. Just get everything packaged, tagged, you know, get everything processed. So I'll come back then, but I'm gonna go ahead and edit these 2 videos for y'all, get them out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I promise I have better spirit next time. I promise I should be better, okay? Promise. Bye.